So this is a USB 3.0 switch selector. I just got it. Really good packaging. It's a very cool product. It's going to allow me to switch between, or this keyboard and mouse can be used on that PC and that laptop. I just didn't want to have two sets of mouses and two sets of keyboards. I just want to use one. Like a charger, I think 2 USB cables, which is very good. And a little pamphlet. Sorry I don't have my tripod. So I'll set it up and show you how it works. Alright, so I got it hooked up here, and you can see I got 2 computers. I think right now it's set to the PC. You can't really see it because we're in the boot up screen. I'll wait till it goes. But if we switch it over to the blue signal, that should be this. Now I'm controlling, this is my keyboard and my mouse, and you'll see that it's starting to move. If I hit enter, I'm not going to show you my. Alright, now, so you saw that the mouse worked there. I'm just going to wait till it kind of boots up. And then, well, anyways, if I switch back over to the green signal, that's this. As you can see now, my mouse works here. And just open up Google. You can see my keyboard works there. Go back over here when this finally starts to load. So I'll switch back to now, oops, the green signal. So this is great because now I do not have to use like a second 2 sets of mouses and keyboards. I used to have a configuration where I did, I used to use the 2 monitors for 2 computers. So I would switch between monitors, but I should have done this because it's a lot easier when you can actually just use 1 keyboard and use 2 computers on their own monitors. So switch back over to blue, and you see now mouse is working. I'm using the white mouse, the G305. This takes forever. Alright, so there we are at Google. Now, if I type in, you'll see. So, yes, this keyboard and mouse now works on 2 separate PCs. Works on that PC and works on a laptop. That's great. Awesome. Sub the channel.
Stormy, float your ass over here and magic me up another wrench.
Nay, Captain.
Oh, yeah.
You're not for earthly goods and pleasures. Cast off this taint and become taintless.
Hey,